Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial component for server performance, memory. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEC 64GB DDR4 ECC registered RDIMM, a replacement module designed for supermicro systems and a potential powerhouse for boosting your server's capabilities. This particular module, the MEM DR464MC ER32 compatible option, boasts impressive specs. We're talking 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, operating at a speedy 3,200 MHz, PC4-25600. That's a significant amount of memory, ideal for demanding server applications, virtualization, and handling large datasets. The Hynix part number HMA8GR7CJR4N XN ensures compatibility, and it adheres to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, running at a cool 1.2V. The fact that it's ECC registered RDIMM is a major plus for server environments. ECC, or error correcting code, memory detects and corrects single-bit errors, preventing data corruption and system crashes. This is paramount for maintaining data integrity and uptime in critical applications. The registered aspect adds another layer of stability, buffering the control signals to improve reliability, especially when multiple modules are installed. The 2RX4 configuration, dual rank X4, is also worth noting. This refers to the organization of the memory chips on the module. Dual rank modules can offer slightly better performance in some situations compared to single rank modules, as the memory controller can access data from different ranks simultaneously. ATEC specifically designed this RAM to be compatible with select supermicro systems. Supermicro is a popular choice for servers, and this memory module is engineered to work seamlessly within those systems. However, it's crucial to double-check compatibility with your specific supermicro model before purchasing. Memory compatibility can be tricky, and it's always best to err on the side of caution. ATEC does mention verifying compatibility and following memory channel guidelines to ensure maximum performance, which is excellent advice. One important point to remember is that this is ECC registered memory. You cannot mix it with other types of ECC memory, such as ECC unbuffered or ECC load reduced, or even non-ECC unbuffered memory. Mixing different memory types can lead to system instability or failure to boot. The benefits of upgrading to 64 gigabytes of RAM are substantial. More RAM translates to improved multitasking capabilities, faster application loading times, and the ability to handle larger workloads without performance degradation. For servers, this means supporting more users, running more virtual machines, or processing larger datasets more efficiently. ATEC backs this memory module with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. They also offer tech support, which is a valuable resource if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. In conclusion, the ATEC 64GB DDR4 ECC registered RDIMM appears to be a solid choice for upgrading the memory in compatible supermicro servers. Its high capacity, error-correcting capabilities, and register design make it well-suited for demanding server environments. Just remember to verify compatibility with your specific system and avoid mixing it with other types of memory. If you're looking to boost your server's performance and reliability, this ATEC module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.